In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause and resume a Loom recording, whether you're using the desktop app or the Chrome extension. This is a handy feature that allows you to take a moment when you need it, whether that's to refocus, gather your thoughts, or even just to grab a quick sip of coffee. Let's begin with the Loom desktop app, which is available on both Windows and Mac OS. When you're recording and find yourself needing to pause, you can easily do so by clicking the pause button in the recording toolbar. You might need to hover over the controls to reveal this button. The good news is that once you're ready to pick up where you left off, you just have to click the resume button to continue with your recording. If you're more of a keyboard enthusiast, there's a shortcut for you. On a Mac, the keyboard shortcut is Option, Shift, and P. For Windows users, it's Alt, Shift, and P. These shortcuts can make pausing and resuming your recordings much snappier, allowing you to maintain your flow with minimal interruption. Now, if the default shortcuts don't quite fit your style or hand comfort, you have the option to customize them. To do this, open your Loom desktop app and click on the three-dot menu. From there, navigate to Settings, also known as Preferences. Under the Shortcuts section, you'll see a field labeled for Pause and Resume. Click on that field, and then press your preferred key combination. Personalizing your shortcuts can make the experience feel smoother and more intuitive. Switching gears to the Chrome extension, pausing and resuming your recording can be just as straightforward. While you're recording, you'll notice a pause button located right next to your camera bubble within the on-screen controls. Clicking this button will temporarily suspend your recording, and when you're ready to resume, you can simply click it again to start up right where you left off. For those who prefer keyboard shortcuts, Loom's Chrome extension also supports them, ensuring that you're covered no matter your preference. Unfortunately, the exact shortcut isn't specified here, so you'll need to check your Loom settings or documentation for the precise keys. Whether you're using the desktop app or the Chrome extension, having the ability to pause and resume recordings gives you the flexibility to manage your recording sessions more effectively. You can avoid unnecessary silences or needlessly long recordings by strategically using pause and resume, ensuring your end product is as polished as possible. So there you have it, a quick yet thorough guide to pausing and resuming Loom recordings. Whether you're hitting pause to gather your thoughts or changing settings to improve your workflow, these tips will keep you on track and in control during your recording sessions.